Hi, this is David with Emini In this video, we're going to talk about trading for daily income. That's what I do. That's how I trade. We actually already had a good trade right here. We had a normal system entry to the long side. It would have been filled about 1202 and a quarter. Profit would be 1203 and a quarter. I'm obviously not in that trade. That would have been a winner. So what I can do right now is I could wait for the next normal system entry. I could also take a pullback trade to the long side. Now I have a long-term filter that is not currently in use, meaning right now it's not active. But if that were to be activated, in other words, if we started getting a strong run up, my longer term filter would go long, and then therefore I would want to avoid any short trade for a period of time. And if that were the case, I would take a pullback trade. Okay, so got a couple options right now. I could also take an EET short. Now the EET is done on a faster time frame, and it's got a maximum stop loss of 6 ticks, but typically runs about 4 tick stop. And if the and that would be a short trade on a faster tick chart than we trade the NSCs off of. And one of the nice things about the EET is that even though it's more of an aggressive trade, the risk reward, of course, is skewed better in your favor. So, well, not really skewed. So, in that regard, it's better in your favor. But let's go ahead and take an EET if it fires off or it's getting ready to go. And 75 would be our entry short on the EET. There we go, 75. Let's see if we can get filled. Our stop loss would be 1203.50, so let's move that down. I'm risking 3 ticks on this trade to make 4 ticks, and if I get an NSC short, that's a valid NSC. I could even take more profit off this EET if we get the NSC. In fact, we'll see if we can do that. If we get the NSC, we'll take this down a few ticks, 2-3 ticks, and see if we can get the profit off the NSC as well. If we don't get the NSC, then we'll simply, hopefully, grab our 4 ticks and be done. So that's one of the benefits about the EET is, again, it's aggressive because it's counter trend. The longer term is up. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Here we go. My stop loss was moved, but I need to take that back. I don't typically move my stop loss on an EET when it's only risking 3 ticks. So we're off with a point profit. Had we gotten the NSC signal, which we're actually getting really close to getting, I'd have tried to stay in the trade a little bit longer and make a little bit more off the trade. But you know what? Great one and done trade. We had a great one and done trade here. We just didn't happen to catch it. So that's how you trade for income, folks. But really, it's all about recovering from trading too, because we're going to take losing trades as well as winning trades. It's great to get a one and done and be happy and make your money and leave. But it's also important to realize that you're going to take losing trades and you need to know how to recover. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching.